And again, just talking about the mountain, we have seen some impressive snow mounts. And just looking at data at Timberline Lodge, this is one of the best starts or the second best start to ski season since 1950. Just the amount of snow we have at base right now. Timberline Lodge reporting 63 inches. Mount Hood Meadows at 57 inches and about a foot of new snow for both resorts in the last 24 hours. So very impressive, very snowy, and kind of feeling more like the middle of winter, what we would see in January and February, but it's only mid-November. Now take a look at some of these stats here. Mount Hood snow depth, this is at Timberline Lodge. They have some pretty good data to look at there. And historically at this point in the year, we tend to see about 30 or so inches at base, but now we have double that. And again, this is one of the best years in about 70 years of a early season start here for Mount Hood. So impressive. Let's hope we can keep that up. It doesn't mean the rest of the winter is going to be this way. We could definitely see a snow drought and weeks where we have too much warm air and a little snowfall. But right now, soak it in. It's just a great start to the ski season. And take a look offshore here. There's your peek at the bomb cyclone that is now veering away from us and heading towards the northwest. We're still seeing major impacts here. Again, we saw bigger impacts in areas of southern Oregon and also Washington. Right now, some cold air is spinning into this storm right here. So we are getting some thunderstorms building down towards the south. Two areas of California dealing with very heavy, abundant rainfall with some flooding concerns around the Bay Area and the northern parts of the state. But for us, again, thunderstorms. Look at that, Newport up to Tillamook. We have those storms developing with plenty of lightning. So watch out, tough driving on 101 out there. Very soggy conditions and locally windy conditions. Look at Portland, though. We are seeing much drier weather here as these showers start to shift out towards the east, and we get a bit of a break this morning in some of the rainfall. So today for the coast, we'll still track those thunderstorms. Those, again, could bring some hail, downpours, lightning in. We'll keep our eyes on any rotation up in the skies if there's a funnel cloud out there today. Low 50s though, and again, you'll want the rain gear. In Portland today, we'll actually get some dry time. We'll see fewer showers as we begin to dry out, but I do see a chance for some showers by this afternoon. We're also back in the mid 50s with breezy winds still in place. Maybe some gusts up to about 25 miles per hour coming up the valley here, which is also why our temperatures will warm slightly back towards the mid 50s today. So let's track this bomb cyclone and where it will go the rest of the week here. This bomb cyclone again starts to veer towards the northwest. We do see a second low developing, and it kind of spins right into this big area of low pressure. So these two storms here kind of dancing with each other. And as we head towards Friday, we'll see more rainfall as that low kind of scoots right back up the coast. This storm is not going to be nearly as strong or impactful as the bomb cyclone, but will bring in some rain and windy conditions. Let's track it out here on the Futurecast. Again, today is mainly dry, but we could still see some spotty shower chances heading into the afternoon and evening. We get to Thursday, maybe a few showers for the morning time, a drier afternoon before that second system starts to roll in here. So heavy rainfall likely heading into late Thursday and into Friday for some soaking conditions here. We then keep rain showers going into the weekend. So numerous to scattered rain just continues for us this week. We'll get some dry pockets. Again, we'll track that bigger storm come Thursday night into Friday, maybe some soggy weather back in place. But again, having that raincoat nearby is a handy thing, a good move this week with those spotty showers that will continue. Our daytime temperatures will also hover here in the mid 50s in Portland.
All right, Kelly, thanks. It is 6:52.